name is John Kelsey. I'm a 25-year veteran of the electrical construction industry. I started as an electrician's helper in the field and ended up an electrical contractor. If you're an electrical contractor, then I have been in your shoes. Have you been thinking about getting more organized to grow your company? Have you noticed that jobs are more competitive and that making more profit is tough? If your goal is to make more money, then you need more profitable projects. To get and manage more projects, you must have the right tools. One of the most important tools you must have is a state-of-the-art estimating program that will allow you to put your projects together quickly, accurately, and profitably. In a few minutes, I will show you how Red Rhino streamlines estimating and project management so you can accurately bid and administer more projects to grow your business. I will show you how this powerful program allows you to estimate labor and material costs and rapidly create proposals for more profitable, better managed projects. We are at the Red Rhino's home page, the central control panel from which you create your estimates and manage your projects. The home page can take you to any part of the program with just a few clicks. First, I will take you to an estimate. You are now viewing the estimate list page. What you see at this time are sample estimates created for this demonstration. Okay, let's look at an estimate in some detail. This is the estimate page. This is the demonstration estimate. Let me explain how a good electrical contracting program works. It all starts with your project material takeoff. You enter this information into Red Rhino. Based on your takeoff, the program calculates the material price and the associated labor required to complete the installation. When you're finished entering the project materials, you review your prices and profit markups, create a proposal, and submit it to your customer. When you win the project, you use the program as a tool to manage the project and monitor costs. Now let me show you just how easy it is to input materials. This is the takeoff input page. As you select materials from the box on the left, the program adds them to the box on the right. Our example shows some materials which have already been entered for the project. Let's say that your project also includes a 2-inch conduit run, and you need to include this item. Watch how easy it is to add a 2-inch EMT conduit with 3 3/0 wires and 1 number 6 ground. To do this, I click on the Wizards button. Wizards are a tool for rapid input of materials. Red Rhino has 11 different wizards, including a breaker wizard, conduit wizard, disconnect wizard, and transformer wizard, just to name a few. Here is how our conduit wizard works. In this wizard pop-up, you input information about the conduit run, such as size and type of conduit, plus size and type of wire. To input 150 feet of 2-inch EMT conduit with 3 3/0 wires and 1 number 6 ground, I click on the Materials drop-down, select EMT, and choose 2-inch diameter. I enter 150 in the run length box. We will assume that there is just one run of conduit, so just to the right of that is a box for the number of runs. I will type in the number 1. With the number of runs, Red Rhino calculates the connectors and wire makeup required. I enter the number 3/0 copper wires plus a number 6 ground wire. I simply click the top wire drop-down, select wire number 3/0 copper. I type in the number 3 for 3 conductors. I click in the second wire drop-down box and select wire number 6 CU, number 6 copper wire. I type in the number 1 for 1 ground wire and include 3 feet for makeup length. I also add 3 elbows in the elbows quantity box. By clicking the Add button, everything is added to my estimate, quick, simple, and accurately. Now let's look at what I input. On the top line, line 1, is the EMT conduit. Look over to the right and you will see the quantity of material, which is 150 feet. Further to the right, on the same line, the labor hours are displayed. Each item shows the material price plus the extended price. It shows how much labor it takes to install each item, plus the labor total to install total items. Red Rhino has automatically added couplings, connectors, supports, and the total footage of wire required. You don't have to count every coupling, connector, and conduit hanger. You don't have to measure and calculate how much wire is in the run. The program does all that for you. Red Rhino includes many features designed to save you time, increase your accuracy, and make you more money. Now I will show you how to keep track of job expenses like permit fees, equipment rental expenses, also switchgear and lighting quotes. This is the job expense page that allows you to include additional project expenses by category. These include quotes, subcontracts, additional materials, and additional labor. I will add a job expense for our demonstration. Let us assume that the project requires a forklift with a rental cost of $500. This is the expense detail page. We click on forklift, type $500, and click Save. This is how simple it is to add job expenses to your estimates. You click on the expenses that you want to add and enter the dollar amount. Next, I will show you the recap, a powerful feature that allows you to quickly review your estimate numbers and profitability. This is the recap page. The recap is a summary of the estimate costs. It displays the total cost for all items plus labor. The top portion on this page displays percentages for overhead, profit, and tax, and dollar rates for crew, foreman, and superintendent. You can adjust any of these numbers according to your goals. On the right, it shows you a total material cost of $12,259. This is based on the materials you input. The recap also displays total labor hours. In this example, the program displays 507.58 hours. At the bottom, you will see the number in the total column that shows the total project cost, which is $49,649. The total project cost on this recap is carried over to the proposal, so you do not have to re-enter any information. Here are some questions for you. In each of your current estimates, do you know your costs in detail so you know how much profit you are earning in each project? Look how the recap gives you speed and accuracy. At a glance, you know your costs and profit of any given project. Finally, I will show you how this information turns into a professional-looking proposal. Red Rhino features an award-winning proposal format that provides your customer with a clear and concise proposal. All the numbers from your takeoff and recap flow directly to your proposal. What you see on screen right now is the proposal as the document would look when you deliver it to your customer. As we scroll down, you can see that this proposal includes project information, totals, and a list of inclusions, exclusions, and qualifications. Red Rhino proposals will reflect well on your company and set expectation on the quality of work that you deliver. The proposal is fast and easy to create. Not only does Red Rhino help you manage the entire project estimate process, but once you win the bid, you can use it to track change orders, invoicing, and other project management tasks for a successful and profitable conclusion. This program allows you to rapidly create proposals and estimate labor and material costs for better managed projects. You've seen how Red Rhino streamlines estimating so you can accurately bid and administer more projects to grow your business. The end result is more profit. To accelerate your use of this great program, we include unlimited one-on-one training by an industry expert. Take advantage of our special limited time offer. Subscribe now and you'll receive free our entire online seminar, Wiring Your Business for Profit, a $299 value. You will automatically receive access to this invaluable seminar by subscribing this month. Just visit our website and click Order Now. My name is John Kelsey. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me at 866-444-7411, or you can email me at johnk@hardhatis.com. Again, JOHNK at HARDHATIS.com. It's been my great pleasure presenting our product to you. Use Red Rhino and watch your profits grow.